Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the recording path in OBS. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go and open your OBS, and then you need to have identified the path or the recording folders that you are currently using. So for my case, all my recordings are saved in this video folder, and if you open, you can see a lot of them in this folder. However, I want to make a change. I want to change it from video folder to YouTube folder, this one. The first thing you need to do is to go to your OBS Studio and then head to settings here and click on it. Now you'll be taken to this settings window. Now from here, look for output. Now from output, you can see we have a variety of options. Select the recording option. Now this contains all the recording settings on our OBS Studio application. We are interested in recording path. As you can see currently, my recording path is on desktop and a folder called videos. So to change it, go and click on browse. Go and identify the folder that you want to select. If you had not created the folder, you'll need to first to go and create the folder before you start this process. So I'll head to desktop, and this will give me all the folders that are on my desktop. I want to locate a folder called YouTube. So I'll scroll down, and as you can see, YouTube is here. So I'll select it and then click on select folder. Now immediately you can see the recording path has been changed from videos to YouTube, but still it is on my desktop. Now once you're done, go and click on apply and then click OK. So from here, anything I record and then go check it, I'll find it is in the YouTube folder. So let me just stop this and then check it out. Then let's go open our YouTube folder. Here it is, the small recording that I just did. Our recording has been saved in the YouTube folder. If this video was helpful to you, let me know in the comment section, and please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.